Oh, there goes the crow. Oh, there goes the butterfly. I do this stuff in real life. Mommy said, keep it on the high side. Hump day. I'm Wednesday's child, so hump day. So remember I told you I have baby birds, right? And the weather, thank you. More of this, please. Like more of this for the rest of the week. Because I've been actually hoping that it wouldn't rain because I didn't know if my babies were... and I mean, you can't say I made it up because you actually saw me rescue. I was on bird rescue and that too. And my birds like tapped on this one. Heard that, and went outside and did a live. Go on my YouTube channel. But the point is today, a lot of stuff. Oh, and there goes my heart. A red-shouldered hog. Yay. And I got a baby's bird's nest. Aww. Aww. Is that some of my hair that I threw away? That little round, where did you find it? Well, Val, you were like just picking and throwing your hair out. Like, that is actually a little part, that is like that little tiny round, that is actually a little part of my dreadlock that I kind of like was probably just breaking off and threw it on the ground. And the birds come to my house to build their nest. And then the baby bird. Go to my YouTube live. I did baby bird rescue. When was it? Last week? And there you are. Of course. Right over me. You can't see it. It's going into the clouds right now. Can you see that hawk way up there? Flying so proud. So proud. I couldn't make this stuff up. No green screens needed. I am a bit amazed. Now this is amazing. The other stuff, I'm not fazed. But this... I'm going to go and drink some coffee and take a nap. It's been a day and a night and a day and more. And I'm so thankful I didn't get caught in the dark web of these traps. There goes my birds. I have real angels and a few demons that are watching my back. But what would a soldier be? A real soldier is what a real soldier is. Whether it's a he or a she. I didn't say he shit. I didn't say that. My daddy was a real man. My mother was a real woman. And I am a real child, unlike Pinocchio. I'm not lying to you. Don't see my nose, girl. I'm just sitting here doing this good-ass product. Poetry helps me to heal. And maybe I can help some of you, too. So I'm just saying... kudos to the medical workers and stuff like that. Oh, there goes the butterfly again. And I actually, they won't do that for me, but I really hope you guys are okay. Because see, I'm not mean-spirited like that. But at the same time, you play in my face again, you don't see just what I can do. That's not a threat, that's a promise. So keep watching, I promise you. The blessing you miss will be a lesson for you. Oh, the doggy heard it. The animals always do. I'm ValJones reporting from the hood, from my porch. Happy hump day. I would say, you good over there, bro? You sitting there with your drink too. So I guess we're cool. So we all sitting out here on the porch. What's this that Pisces said? What's that about my Pisces? That funny thing. I guess we all thinking something. I guess we all just be thinking something. Water signs. Woo. I have a nest. And it's got some of my hair. My baby birds. I'm like, it got a little piece of my hair and made its nest. That is so incredibly cool. Now, this is an art project, a nature art project. Oh, look inside. It's got a little dandelion, the little fuzz of the dandelion, too. And it's got a little pine tree cone and stuff like that. This is so cool. The little piece of wood. This is so cool. This is so cool. And a little of my insulation too, but you know, I mean, it is what it is. So, and a little bit of thread. But the point is, it's got a little bit of my hair. I find that amazing and just great. I am quite an anomaly. Not the fake. And not the snake. I know, baby. Peace out. Seriously, I'm gonna go drink some coffee. And I'm gonna take a nap.